first of all, children, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day, right? And so today, as teachers, I will not be teaching you blah blah blah, but I will be appreciating what you all did in my class and what you all are going to do in your life, right? And what you all have already done in your life. From what all small things I could make out from this class 8th standard, where I have been with you for so many days. Okay, so I liked interacting with children. That's why I wanted to come and teach children. Okay, why? Now Rishan will say why? Because they're very spontaneous. They are very enthusiastic. They're very naughty. You have to control them also, but they come out with such good ideas. Kabhi they come out with such excellent thoughts, which I also learn something from. We teachers also learn something from you. So keep it up. Children should always be like that. I'm not a trained teacher because I do a very different kind of work in the office. But teaching is one field where I feel when we teach children, there's a lot of communication, interaction. And we have always had classes where we interact with children and a different form of learning which we have done. No? Our class has always done something differently, learned differently things. I feel every child is special and has to be dealt with in a different manner. So by the end of the year, I feel I have learned, they are also touched by what we had to offer. Okay. So now I would like particularly to take pride in introducing each of my children. Okay. So starting from Janelle, I've started from her because in the beginning she came up with a surprise by playing a music composition for us right on the first day of our class. So that was very nice. I felt very nice about it. And children, please develop your hobby along with your work. Study, please develop a hobby also. And Janelle, please take it forward. Okay, your hobby. Svetlana, second Svetlana, I'd like to say that she is the most easygoing guy. When I look at her, I feel, oh God, she's so laid back attitude, but she's so attentive and sharp. Any moment I ask anything, Svetlana, say this, she'll have an answer. So, girl, you will keep it up, you will go places, right? Jennifer, I know her catechism class did clash with her, her tuitions. But she has always updated herself and whatever she missed. So my advice to her and to all of you all is that you will have many things to do in life. So many other priorities are also there. But give your first priority to God, always. So that will help you in your life, right? Sonia, I think she's the most fashionable one in my group. But she's the most bubbling enthusiast about work and play, which I like very much about her. So it's very important that you should have a balance in your life. All work also is not good. All play is also not. So she is a perfect balance of both, I feel. Avia. Initially, I thought she was totally non-participatory, and I had also to involve her mom. But to my surprise, she has bucked up. She has come out very nicely. Now she started giving answers for everything. Very attentive, very punctual, sincere. Keep it up, Avia. Okay? And here I would like to say that her parents have been had played a very important role in her getting back to this kind of sincerity to catechism class. So I feel the parents should take a very positive step towards the building up of faith in our children. They should interact and know what the child is doing. So I thank her mother for that. Okay. And now come to Rishon, our hero. very inquisitive, always asking questions. But I am very happy, Rishon. You have taught me certain things and you have asked me certain questions for which I had to also find out answers. Okay, so that is very nice. Children should always ask questions wherever they don't know, they have to keep on updating themselves. Very nice, Rishon. I like that attitude in you. Then I have Mikhail, a very dedicated and thorough in his work. Mikhail will take leave, but he will come up all updated himself. Updated. Okay? Perfect. Very nice. Keep it up. Joe Vincent has surpassed my expectations. Slow in the beginning, but he has picked up. And whenever I feel positive, uska positive part, what was his positive part was whenever he was not connected online, he was always chatting and giving the answers. So that was a very good quality which I felt. Very good, Joe. Keep it up. Vanessa is very good. I was amazed at her creativity, her write up, and her creativity. Because I initially had gone, I mean, she had said something for Teachers' Day, and she had come up with an excellent write up. At her age, awesome. So the creativity, children don't leave the creativity part in you, right? Your lessons are there, but try composing things and writing poems, stories, and all that also should be nice. It should be done. Shashwat is a promising child, is potential to be an all-rounder. वो क्रिकेट में ऑलराउंडर होता है ना, वैसा है शाश्वत. हर चीज में थोड़ा थोड़ा सब में लगाया हुआ. Very good. Keep it. Varghese has joined very late and has not kept up so much with our classes, but I like the way he projects his view, because when we had a different way of learning, so he came up with his short stories. The way he used to present them was very, very nice. He made it very crisp and interesting. So that is a very positive point of Varghese. Very nice. Keep it up. Anybody I think all of them I've covered. And children, now I like to say only one thing, that as Christians, so this is a very good platform which you get, right? Why? To understand God's work. First of all, in all religions, we don't have this kind of classes. So this is the best way where you know so many things about our God. Secondly, during Mass, you have a chance of participating, of singing, of playing music, of reading. ये सारे chance तुमको और जगह नहीं मिलेंगे. This is a very good platform you get in our Christian life, that is through Mass and everything. So make the best use of this, of catechism class as well as the Mass. Going to Mass every day, singing, participating in the Mass. Be it however, reading, singing, anyways. But this is a very good platform, which you will not get in would have not got otherwise. Because so many other Hindu children don't get this kind of a platform. So take care, take the best use of it, make the best of it, and be good children. Okay? I love you all. So last but not the least, I should say, Remy ma'am has always been a support to me, because I have to just prepare the content always. I just prepare the content and I say, Remy, I'm leaving it to you. She takes care of the whole thing. So without her, I would be handicapped. Particularly this point of time where online this thing is, and though in spite of her, hectic schedule, so I don't just disturb her till the end, only when she has to be disturbed. And she's doing a lot of things, and she's one person whom I feel you should emulate, because in college she is there, in catechism she is there, for church decoration she is there, altar decoration she is there for reading, she is there for I think she's a PPT.
Yeah, PPC
I
member.
don't
Yeah.
know what kind of member.
Yeah, yeah.
All
Janil is
these,
PPC member,
yeah,
ward representative.
I know. All this qualities she has. So instead of me, she has got all the good qualities of a teacher. As I said earlier, I'm not a trained teacher at all, but I just love kids, so I like to interact with them. But she's a proper trained teacher,
But I
and she
don't teach.
does her duty very well. She does her duties very well. Okay,
Thank you.
so
Thank you.
thank you, Remy. You are like, without you, we can't function. That's
Thank you, Amna ma'am, for praising me so much.
it.
So we can unmute
uh,
and have a nice clap for Omna ma'am.
all of y'all also. All of y'all also. All of y'all also.
So, what I wanted to tell my own experience, which I want to share with you, which can be an inspiration, which can be a motivation for you people, thinking that I want to share this. In the month of February, when lockdown has not started, I, as a Remy, was a person who used to run away from technology. Even my mobile also, just WhatsApp and some Facebook. Apart from that, I never used to use any of the applications because I was scared of. इवन लैपटॉप की बात कहूँ तो लैपटॉप का चालू करने के लिए स्विच कहाँ है वो भी मेरे को नहीं पता था. From that, I do say that the urge which made me to learn this all thing, and now I'm fearlessly operating the things. Of course, you in your generation, you people are very much into that. But if you take my generation or my this thing, my perspective, then I was very scared of using the technology. And today, I feel that I'm little comfortable, though it is I know only one drop of an ocean, but still I feel myself comfortable. So it is possible. What I am telling is, it is possible. Though you have fear, if you overcome the fear, anything is possible, right? So with this note, I'm ending my short introduction or short speech, and we'll move to the next program, that is Mikhail and Rishon, and who was the other one? Shashwat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So with towards their program, I'm not stopping the recording. Okay, we'll continue.
Oh, thank
Yeah. So over to you, my dear children.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm presenting now.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Rishon, you can tell ma'am the team.
Ma'am, the rules are there are team A and team B.
Okay.
There are right now 11 people. We will divide the 11 people into team A and team B. So, ma'am, you will be the audience, Omna ma'am and Ravi ma'am, and we are the judges. So, after we calculate that, you two and three of us, five goes out. So, it's something like six. So, one more joined us now, right now. Let me see just.
Team
Seven people.
NPC. Wow.
Seven people, yes. So, ma'am, let me divide it right now. So, in
Yeah.
one team, there will be Bhavna Prabhakaran, then,
That is Avia
yes, Avia, Janelle,
channel.
then Sonia, and we need to add one more person, that is, we can add Aditya.
Has he come in?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
he's
Okay,
inside.
fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Aditya. Then there will be three, yes, three done. One, two, three. Conrad, Bhavna, Prabhakaran, and then Linda, then this Svetlana D'Souza.
So who are which
There
two?
are only ma'am, there are only six
Ah,
people.
that's
So
what
three
now you
and
are
three. We should
counting all three and
Somebody
three.
left.
three and
Somebody
three.
left.
Left.
Some
Yeah.
one guy is leaving and coming again and again. I don't know how.
So
No,
Rishon, tell
actually.
me which one.
uh,
Avia in one team.
Ma'am,
Avia.
Avya, Janel and
Yes,
Sonia
ma'am.
in one team. Aditya,
Okay.
Aditya
Svetlana and
and Janel.
No, Janal is in the other team.
Aditya, Sonia.
Michael is there. Mikhail is there.
No, Mikhail is in the
judge.
this thing.
Ma'am, I am not in
Okay.
the team. Ma'am, I am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Aditya,
Yes.
Aditya and
Svetlana.
Svetlana. And ma'am, one more joined.
Yes.
One more. Um,
person joined.
one
Who
person
joined?
joined and is leaving again and again. So
I
we
can
Yes,
join.
sir.
I can join as a person.
Yes, ma'am. And Rami, ma'am, in another.
Okay,
in the
Remy
other
ma'am.
team.
Okay.
Okay, Remy ma'am. Okay.
So who is in my team?
Your team,
Svetlana and
Svetlana,
Aditya.
Aditya, and Remy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And Avia, Janel, Sonia. Be ready, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's start.
So Aditya and
Okay.
Svetlana,
Yes, ma'am.
So can I
unmute
start?
yourself. We are all.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Rishon is starting.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो वेलकम आज सभी का इस शानदार गेम में। आज हम खेलने वाले हैं एक गेम नामक KNBC, कौन नहीं बनेगा करोड़पति। आज हमारे साथ है एक इंसान नामक शाश्वत और मिखाइल एज आर जजेस। ये गेम में लग रहा है कि कोई 1 रुपया भी नहीं जीतेगा, पर ऐसे जैसे शुरू करते हैं ये गेम को। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति। So, पहला प्रश्न,
Which company uses the motto innovation and you? A. MI, B. Tata, C. Lexus, या D. Philips?
First question to team A. So
Team
team
is
A.
Avia wala.
Yes, ma'am. Avya,
Yes.
Janal, and
Philips.
Sonia.
yes,
So
correct.
the question will be passed on to the next team if the first team doesn't know.
No, we will not
Yes,
get
we
a
want.
point.
we will not pass. We will not pass.
We will
No
not pass.
passing.
Okay.
Yeah, A and B
Uh,
alternatively.
Okay, you will giving. If you know it, say fast.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, correct.
I know.
wow.
Philips, correct?
Yes, yes,
Wow,
ma'am.
1 point. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, this is for team B.
Cars is
Okay.
shown
B,
here.
ready, huh?
A. Audi, B. Hennessy, C. Rolls Royce, and D. Cadillac.
ये साइन तो बताओ यार, साइन भी नहीं बताया है।
वही तो।
साइन क्यों बताएंगे, गाड़ी देख के पता चलना चाहिए ना।
Right,
अरे
sir.
यार गाड़ी देख के पता चलना चाहिए।
यस ऑफ कोर्स।
ओ गाड़ी
Sign-
तो
sign
तो
पे
चाहिए ना
पता
यार।
चल जाएगा।
पीछे दिख रहा है आपको साइन, बट थोड़ा सा यू नीड
थोड़ा enlarge करना,
माइक्रोस्कोप देयर।
थोड़ा enlarge करना।
माइक्रोफोन नहीं है यहाँ पे जूम में।
Zoom कर उसको, zoom कर.
Ma'am, zoom नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा। आदित्य।
इट इज हार्ड फॉर वी मेड इट हार्ड फॉर यू।
Aditya, Svetlana, Remy, Baka.
Yes, ma'am.
Baka.
आदित्य आता है? आदित्य unmute yourself.
नो मैम।
अरे
We
बाप
can
रे,
give you a hint.
इतने सारे अंग्रेजी नाम हो गए, क्या करें, नहीं बताएगा।
क्या
It is
करे?
not option A and B.
अच्छा,
not A
he
and
is
B.
giving you a A and B नहीं है.
आपका 50-50 हो गया खत्म, सी और डी में से एक।
ए हमने नहीं मांगा था 50-50।
मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि यहाँ पे किसी को भी ऑडी के सिवाय कोई
नहीं अब श्वेतलाना we'll see आदित्य will say C, what do you say? क्या लग रहा है आदित्य? D, okay. What is your this thing?
लेट्स गो फॉर
श्वेतलाना बोल
डी।
जल्दी।
डी
D ना?
D, okay, D.
सो लेट्स लॉक
Correct,
ऑप्शन डी,
correct,
कैडिलैक,
correct.
एंड इट इज राइट।
correct.
Wow.
Wow.
तुक्का लगा, अच्छा था।
Next,
चलो
next.
मैंने तुक्का लगाया गलत था।
Team B, ma'am, now team B has to mute.
ओके, टीम बी, ओके, म्यूटिंग।
Okay.
Team A next.
Identify the person shown below. A. Varun Dhawan, B. Lionel Messi, C. Cristiano Ronaldo, and D. John Abraham.
Only one guess. You will get only one guess. So wait and discuss.
पता है इसका जवाब। Now little bit talk like अमिताभ बच्चन। क्या आप श्योर है?
क्या श्योर है? बताया ही नहीं है तो श्योर कैसा है? पहले
आप
बताने
श्योर है कि वही आंसर होगा जो आप मन में सोच रहे हैं?
जल्दी जल्दी
अरे
टाइम इतना
जल्दी
नहीं
जल्दी
दिया
नहीं तो पास हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट टीम के लिए।
हाँ.
आई थिंक आई वुड गो विद सी।
C.
C.
हाँ,
C.
okay.
You can
क्रिस्टियानो
discuss
रोनाल्डो।
with your You can discuss with your teammates first if you
Are you
want
sure
to.
for Cristiano Ronaldo? Do you want to lock it?
Sure.
लॉक
Avia
करना
at
चाहेंगे?
channel.
Svetlana, मेसी का भी सोच ले. I think it's Messi.
Ma'am, Svetlana
It is not my team.
B team.
Omna ma'am, you can't
Yeah.
help. You can't help.
Oh,
Okay.
It's not my
Omna
team.
ma'am,
We
you
are
can't help.
audience.
चलो चलो
I
जल्दी
think-
जल्दी.
Yeah, I would go with C.
सी क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो को प्लीज लॉक करते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर. ये गलत आंसर है. सही
It is
आंसर
wrong.
है बी लियोनेल मेसी.
Messi,
Answer is
see, I told
Messi.
you. I told you.
मेसी,
Omna ma'am, ऐसा नहीं
ये
होता
मेसी
है.
का चेहरा था जब वो बहुत छोटे थे,
Correct, correct.
अर्जेंटीना में रहते थे.
उसका वो
रोज़ानो
फिगर आ
में.
रहा है, उसका फेस
अमिताभ
फेस
जी
आ रहा
जैसे
है.
फोटो का क्रेडिट भी दे दे बीबीसी अर्थ को.
Yes, this photo is from photo courtesy from Shashwat S.
Okay.
Aha, wow.
Ma'am, next for team B now.
Okay.
Okay. Team B ready, huh?
Name any one letter with it consisting of the letter X.
It
in
doesn't have
very
a
famous
option.
photo
Okay.
photo.
Okay, wait. Name any country which is consisting of letter X.
Consisting of letter X. Country.
This is-
हिंट नीचे
which
दिया हुआ
is-
है. हिंट नीचे
हाँ,
दिया
I
है.
know, I
ओमदा नो अंदर रखिए आपका आंसर प्लीज.
नहीं
Yes,
नहीं.
I know.
Consisting of letter X.
Success.
हाँ.
Wrong.
Of letter
Yeah.
X.
Remy man, think one more. You're very near it.
Svetlana,
very-
Aditya.
आपको थोड़ा तोतले
चलो,
आवाज में
चलो.
बोल सकता हूँ आपको अगर आंसर चाहिए तो. टेक्निको.
Very near to the name which Remy ma'am said.
कितना
Which
आवाज
one?
बोल
अरे
Which
यार.
you said?
Success.
हाँ?
T-A-X-O.
Which name you said?
टेक्सास नहीं, टेक्सास नहीं. आपको हिंट दिया है उसके बारे में बताओ.
Texas था
नहीं,
ना?
नहीं,
It is very
इसने-
famous
ये
for tacos.
Remy-
फेमस ही है.
Mexico.
Yeah.
Yes, Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico, it is right. Right
Yes.
जवाब.
अरे मेरे tacos देखा ना तो मेरे Texas याद आया. Shit.
मैंने इसलिए
Ma'am,
बोला ना
no
बहुत
point.
near
Ma'am,
नजदीक है.
no point for team B.
Why?
Because there are two chances.
अच्छा.
दो बार
Okay,
बोल
okay.
गए.
Team A.
चलो. Next
Team A.
question.
Sorry team.
What is Charlie Chaplin's real name? A. Spencer, B. Wayne, C. Jackson, and D. Tom.
किसी को पता है? चार्ली चैपलिन तो जानते होंगे. नहीं जानते? चार्ली चैपलिन को नहीं जानते.
चार्ली चैपलिन को जानते हैं लेकिन
I would go with A.
ओ. Linda Rodriguez, just use Google. Just use Google. देख लिया मैंने. Just use
Yeah.
Google.
And no, I know him from there.
तू Google यूज कर रही है, दिख रहा है.
Oh,
अच्छा
hello.
ए है ना. अरे सुनो ए टीम बोल रहा है ना.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, right
Okay.
answer.
Now I'll do one thing. As soon as the question is said, Rishon, you have to fix the time. Otherwise, everybody will look
Okay.
at Google and see that.
Okay. I'll just keep a timer of 30 seconds.
30 seconds. You have to, because if you're not you are knowing it immediately, otherwise you don't.
We are very sincere. Huh? Don't-
So
Ma'am,
What
point
is-
for team A.
what do you
What
want to
is the
lock
answer?
then?
Ma'am, right A. Spencer.
A Spencer is the right answer.
So A teammate gets a point.
Yes,
Rishon,
ma'am.
are you calculating?
Yes,
Rishon, are
but
you
Mikhail is the
calculating?
one calculating and the one
Oh.
who is
Oh.
managing all this stuff.
Okay,
together.
Mikhail. Next.
Very nice.
Which is the smallest bird in the world? A. Cuckoo, B. Hummingbird, C. Sparrow, and D. Finches.
And your time starts now.
Hummingbird, spectre.
Team B.
Aditya, Svetlana.
Ma'am, let's go for hummingbird.
Yes, we can go for hummingbird.
Are you sure?
Hummingbird, yes. Hummingbird lock किया जाए.
Yes, okay, correct answer.
Okay, so they go for team A go for hummingbird.
Team B.
Yes.
Team B.
Team
go
B.
for goes for hummingbird. Computer, please lock option B. Sorry, madam, it is galat.
It is
It
correct.
is correct.
It is correct.
Rishon. Rishon, तुम्हारो.
मिस्टेक हो गया. कंप्यूटर का मिस्टेक हो गया.
कंप्यूटर का mistake हो गया. रिशॉन कंप्यूटर.
कंप्यूटर ने गलत ऑप्शन बोला है.
Yes.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Ma'am, it is right.
टेक्निकल
Okay, next one.
Hey.
Next one.
7th
Next one.
स्टैंडर्ड के जीके बुक से पूछा है सब.
Which is the smallest
अच्छा.
planet in the universe? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Mercury, and D. Pluto.
Team A. Team A, फटाफट.
Team A.
30 सेकंड चालू हो गया.
बहुत सिंपल है यार. जल्दी.
Mercury, because it's very small.
A
Mercury.
A. Team A.
C. C. I
Mercury.
would go with
Confirm.
Mercury. Yeah.
जल्दी बोलो
टीम
नहीं
सी
तो
मर्क्यूरी.
no time.
व्हाट टीम सी व्हाट? सी ऑप्शन सी मर्क्यूरी.
Yeah.
Only 5
Confirm.
seconds left.
Yes,
Oh.
yes.
Mercury,
Yes, okay.
lock.
Yeah.
Yes. Ma'am, it is right.
It is the right answer.
Okay.
2 सेकंड के लिए बच गए.
क्यों मर्क्यूरी
Oh.
कैसा है? मिखाइल. Mercury कैसा है?
28.36.
प्लूटो नहीं है प्लूटो.
And Pluto is not
not a
Mikhail.
planet
considered as
now.
a planet.
Planet नहीं है
अच्छा,
अभी.
not.
It has
अभी
been-
निकल गया है इसलिए.
हमने
Yes.
उल्लू बनाने के लिए प्लूटो रखा था.
Pluto रखा है.
ठीक है चलो.
बड़ा
Good,
शानदार
good.
कंप्यूटर है.
Good. शानदार.
Next.
Which Indian
Team
company
B.
has been announced to sponsor Women's
एक
2020
जियो
T20 challenge?
जियो.
Jio.
Okay, so they go for Jio, Mukesh Ambani.
Correct.
Let's go for
Yes.
Jio,
Answer is
and it is the correct answer.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. मैंने कल ही देखा.
It is running. It is going
Going
on.
on, yes,
The match
yes.
is
Women's 2020.
यार क्या क्वेश्चन बनाया कंप्यूटर में.
Next
Now
question.
team A. Team A.
What is the capital of South Africa? A. Pretoria, B. Judicial of Bloemfontein, C. Legislative of Cape Town, and D. All of the above.
Huh? What is that question? Oh, बाप रे.
आप है 0 रुपीस के प्रश्न पर आपको कुछ करना पड़ेगा. मैं तो आप
Ma'am,
0
if you
रुपीस जीत
lose,
नहीं
you
पाएंगे.
lose a total of whole of 0 rupees. You need to be careful
नहीं,
now.
3 चांसेस है. 3 चांसेस दे रहे हैं आराम से.
बोलो.
थिंक कैन से. नहीं जैसा नहीं है. सी गलत हुआ बी, बी नहीं तो ए, ए नहीं तो डी, सब कुछ
I
ही.
think
अरे
I would go with A.
ए प्रिटोरिया.
I would go with
So all the three agrees, huh? चलो एक को लॉक किया जाए.
A. Yeah.
एक को लॉक करते हैं जी. कंप्यूटर जी क्या कहते हैं देखते हैं.
The
मिखाइल
answer is
कंप्यूटर क्या बोल
wrong.
रहा है?
दिस आंसर इज रॉन्ग.
The answer is all of the above.
Oh, I knew that.
तीन
I knew
कैपिटल है.
that.
Yes, ma'am. South
Really?
Africa is the only country which has 3 capitals.
यस.
Oh wow.
All of the above
Okay,
लगा
अभी
ना.
अभी प्रश्न पढ़ने
So
वाले
now
हैं
I'm
हम.
going to tell
अभी ऋषभ.
tell everybody the
One minute,
points.
कंप्यूटर जी एक मिनट. अपने साथ
Yes.
वेनिसा और जेनिफर दोनों ज्वाइन हुए हैं.
Very
तो
good.
दोनों
एक-एक
को
को एक-एक
एक
team
एक
में
टीम
ले लो.
Vanessa go in
में ले
team A
लेते हैं.
and this Jennifer go in team B.
Vanessa,
Yeah, so Vanessa, you are in team A and Jennifer is in team B, right?
Just
You can
introduce
unmute
the
yourself.
guys in
अरे
the
Vanessa तो
team A
चली
and B,
गई.
okay? So there
Vanessa
is no
has left the
confusion.
meeting.
Yeah, again
Okay,
she left.
please go.
Maybe
कोई बात
this
नहीं.
thing.
चालू रखो. चालू
yes
रखो.
ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, the points
Okay.
are team A. Team A is 4 points and team B is also 4 points.
Oh, there's a
Wow.
Very
equal draw.
good.
Let's go. Let's go.
Next,
Okay.
Okay. Next
So
one.
अब हम पढ़ने
team
वाले हैं.
B. Team B.
Okay,
Okay.
team B.
Imagine if you are in a sinking boat that is surrounded by sharks in the middle of the sea. How would you survive? This is a type of a IQ stupid question.
IQ question. This is IQ
Yes,
question.
this is a stupid IQ question.
Yes.
IQ?
Yes, stupid IQ question.
Simple and short. Get out of imagination.
Yes,
Get out
correct.
of. Get
Imagination. Imagination.
Imagination. How would you survive? Very wow, super.
अरे यार फिर कर गए. Okay.
चलो.
तो वैसे वो जोक्स
Next.
बहुत देते हैं.
Get out of imagination.
Team B. Team A, sorry. Team A.
टीम ए के लिए नेक्स्ट प्रश्न आ रहा है. Which is the most watched movie in 2020? A. Bhagi 3. B. Society of Second Born Royals. C. Dil Bechara or D. Street Dancer Varun Dhawan वाला.
I think
think I would go with D.
You would go with
Correct
B.
answer.
अरे मैं कह रहा हूँ
Confirm. Please confirm.
Confirm.
कंफर्म कर लॉक करना है आपको क्वेश्चन बी
who is saying
Team
this?
A. लॉक
Yeah.
कौन सा किया जाए?
Who is
लॉक
saying
किया
this?
जाए प्लीज लॉक ऑप्शन बी सोसाइटी ऑफ सेकंड बॉर्न रॉयल्स
भैया ये तो
कौन
नाम
बोल
सुना
रहा है
ही
ये?
नहीं।
राइट
नहीं. D or B. Street dancer or society.
कौन
D.
रहा है ये?
अरे सोनिया was
सोनिया बोल रही है?
D.
अच्छा।
Yes.
Street dancer.
Yeah.
Confirm.
Yeah.
You can ask everybody else if you want.
रिशॉन
और आपकी 30 सेकंड खत्म हो गया
हाँ.
इट इज क्रॉस द लिमिट ऑफ 30 सेकंड्स
तो देन जो लास्ट बोला वही कंफर्म कर दो।
Confirm.
हाँ.
अरे
Confirm.
कंफर्म क्या
B
खत्म हो गया
confirm.
टाइम तो फिर
हाँ,
अभी
confirm
कंफर्म करके क्या होगा
Answer is wrong.
क्या था
Yeah.
आंसर?
B.
Society
Society
of
of
हाँ
second born.
रिशॉन मेरे को एक I want मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है।
हाँ
See,
बोलो
I will help both the team.
No,
हाँ,
no,
you can help but just give them a little bit of hint don't just say ये
hint.
मेक्सिको आंसर
Yeah,
है
that's all.
Will.
That's all. Okay, done.
बस
Intuition, you all take the call. But my intuition कि ये correct.
हाँ ओके
Yes.
जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ
Right.
एडवाइस ओके
Oh.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पेश किया जाए कंप्यूटर जी नेम 4 days in the week which start with the letter T another stupid IQ क्वेश्चन और आपका टाइम शुरू होता है अब
4 days in the week. Start with the letter T.
Tuesday, Thursday.
Today and
Uh,
tomorrow.
10
Today
seconds
and tomorrow. Yes, correct.
Tuesday, Thursday, today and tomorrow.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली बच गए आप 29.93 सेकंड्स पे थे
Oh.
जस्ट अ लिटिल
Oh.
लेफ्ट
Yes,
फॉर यू
yes. Now next
Okay.
question.
व्हाट इज द नेशनल गेम ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड
Oh.
गूगल सर्च करिए लिंडा रॉड्रिगेज मोबाइल लेके आई कैन जस्ट सी
मत करो
सोनिया
Play-
प्लीज
no.
यार गेम का इंटरेस्ट पूरा निकल जाता है नो प्लीज
हाँ,
इसको
play a
नहीं
safe-
पता मेरे
play a very
फेयर गेम
clean
गेम खेलो यार
पता नहीं पता
हाँ,
मेरे
clean game खेलो
ये तो गूगल पे से सर्च करके बोल देगी कोई भी आंसर ऐसा इट इज नॉट राइट करके
ये तो नहीं पता मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं पता
क्योंकि तूने
Yes,
सर्च नहीं किया
yes.
ना ये तो
Janelle or Avia?
So
बोल
can you
वही तो
pass
बोल
it
रहा हूँ
to
Yes, yes.
No,
Pass
no.
that.
First they have to confirm.
फटाफट बोलो और टाइम जा रहा है
golf हो सकता है but I am not sure.
Team B
पता
is
नहीं।
interested. They know all the answers. Please pass.
What is the game?
5 सेकंड बाकी 4 3
चलो
Confirm your answer.
1 और टाइम इज
एक-
ओवर
ए
Time is over.
wait give them this thing कोई भी तो बोलो एक guess तो करो
कोई भी बोल दो. Yes.
कोई भी बोल दो
Hey, golf.
गोल्फ
आई गो विद
Correct. Answer is concerned.
It is
गोल्फ
correct, but
Timing
no
आपका
points. You
टाइम
are out
खत्म हो
of
गया था
time.
उसके लिए पॉइंट नहीं गिराएगा
Sorry, no
Oh,
point.
point.
Answer out of time.
जल्दी बोल देना
एंड
था
लिसन अगर ये आप चीज गूगल में सर्च करो तो आपको
Minus
शिंटी
two.
दिखाएगा
what is
शिंटी
Shinty?
दिखाएगा
Shinty is on
It
sport.
is also dash. If you search like national game Scotland, not off. If you add off, it will show golf.
But
If you don't write golf, it will show shinty.
but
ये
what is
computer
the
तो बहुत
Shinty? You
जोरदार है
should
यार।
also say about Shinty. Amitabh Bachchan, please say something about Shinty. What is Shinty? What
नहीं
is-
वो हम आंसर का ही बताते हैं
अरे पागल।
कंप्यूटर को
आता ही
आंसर
नहीं
बताता है।
होगा। कंप्यूटर को
अच्छा
आता ही
ओके
नहीं
चलो
है
चलो शिंटी
ऐसा है।
शिंटी के बारे में जानना है आपको शिंटी
नहीं
के बारे में
मतलब
जानना
क्या
है
टाइप का है
Google
क्या
करना है।
टाइप का
New
क्या टाइप
type
का
that's
गेम
what is Shinty.
क्या टाइप का गेम
हाँ रुको रुको आपको शिंटी का बताता हूँ आपको जरा रुको हमारे कंप्यूटर जी अभी बताएंगे कि शिंटी का मतलब क्या है
Yes.
शिंटी एक स्कॉटिश गेम है
हाँ
एक टीम में 12 लोग होते हैं हॉकी जैसा होता है
ओके
It's called
done.
sticks and
Enough,
taller
enough.
goalpost.
enough
हाँ बस
thank you गुरुजी
it is yes
ओ गुरुजी नमस्ते भी करते हैं।
okay Mikhail next one
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
For us,
what
yes.
is the currency of Japan?
I
A
don't know.
yen. हाँ हाँ
Yen.
बस रुको,
Yen.
आपके क्वेश्चन अंदर रखा,
Yen.
आंसर अंदर
पहले
आंसर अंदर।
अमिताभ जी को पूरा प्रश्न पढ़
ए
देने दीजिए, ऑप्शन भी
Yes.
डाल देने दीजिए, बाद में
Don't
आंसर
interrupt
कीजिए।
अमिताभ बच्चन जूनियर।
That is
A
correct.
yen,
बोल भी
B
दिया आंसर।
Yes.
ringgit, C baht, and D rupees. And your time starts now.
अरे हो गया, बोल दिया ना ये।
Baka,
Yen.
baka,
Option
baka.
A. Option A. Yen.
ऑप्शन ए
Correct,
yen को
correct.
लॉक कीजिए कंप्यूटर ची, एंड
Yes.
इट इज द राइट आंसर।
Yes.
Yes.
Very
टीम ए
nice.
को मिलता टीम
Very
बी को
nice.
मिलता है पॉइंट।
Now team A, next question.
टीम ए आपको जाता है दूसरा क्वेश्चन। विच फेमस कॉमिक एक्टर डाइड ऑन द क्रिसमस डे 1977? ए मिस्टर बीन, बी चार्ली चैपलिन, सी स्टैन लोरेन, एंड डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव।
All of the above.
हाँ
मुझे all of the above लिखा है तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा लग रहा है कि all of the above ही हो सकता है, वरना all of the
हो
above
सकता है,
तो
कुछ भी हो सकता है, एनीथिंग
कुछ
कैन
भी हो
हैपन।
सकता है यार, ऑप्शन तो उतना ही पावरफुल है जितना बाकी है।
आप चाहे
टीम ए,
कुछ भी हो सकता है,
टीम ए,
सारे आंसर
time
होंगे,
running
क्या होंगे
out.
हमें नहीं पता, वो आपके ऊपर
टाइम जा
डिपेंड
रहा
है।
है।
हमें तो आंसर नहीं पता है,
टीम
वो
ए
कंप्यूटर जी
आंसर
को पता है, कंप्यूटर जी हमें बताते हैं और हमें पता चलता है।
बता रहा है कोई बोल रहा है आंसर।
हु इज द व्हाट इज द
run out
आंसर?
of time.
कौन?
B.
बी चार्ली
चार्ली
चैपलिन
चैपलिन। या आई
B, Charlie Chaplin.
को
पॉसिबल।
लॉक कीजिए सर।
Lock,
चार्ली
please.
चैपलिन को लॉक करते हैं और ये आंसर राइट है।
क्या बात है।
Yes, yes,
अद्भुत,
very good, very good.
अद्वितीय,
लगा है
अविश्वसनीय,
सर्च क्या रेट है?
अद्भुत।
अविश्वसनीय, अद्भुत अद्भुत।
और टीम B.
Okay, so
कौन सा
let's go
पूछा
for
वो?
the next question.
Yes, this
Which is
for
the
us.
largest butterfly in the world?
Ayo.
A. Swallowtails. B. Blue Coopers. C. Queen Alexandra Birdwing. या D. Brush-footed.
मेरे को तो नहीं आता, श्वेतलान है आदित्य।
मैं गूगल नहीं करना।
गूगल सर्च मारे
Nobody-
गूगल क्या है?
गूगल मत करो।
एक घुस
No,
मार दे।
no, no.
क्या
गूगल
है?
जाता है,
Google
गूगल
ही-
सर्च करके जाता है।
Don't do
हमारे पास
Google. Don't do Google.
आदित्य, you know?
एंटीवायरस चीजें हैं यहाँ पे हमको जिससे पता है।
श्वेतलाना
देखो हम भी कुछ
आता
नहीं कर सकते बट
रिशॉन,
श्वेतलाना, you
ये
know?
क्वेश्चन नहीं आता हो तो नेक्स्ट टीम में पास कर सकता है।
या फिर हम आपको
नहीं हम तो गेस करेंगे।
हिंट दे सकते हैं।
या तो फिर एक
ये लोग देख लेंगे ना ना ऐसा नहीं है।
50-50
करते
क्या
हैं,
आपको पता है राइट आंसर?
50-50 निकाल दो यार।
50-50, okay. Answer is
50-50
not.
निकाल देते हैं
B and D is not there.
और आपका आपके दो
B and
बी एंड डी निकल जाता है। Swallowtails
मुझे लग
और
रहा है
Queen Alexandra Birdwing।
मुझे लग रहा है
C,
क्वीन
C.
अरे
अलेक्जेंड्रा। हाँ,
ऐसा
C.
ऐसा कभी नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा तो कभी नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि क्वीन 2 फुट की भी हो सकती है।
नहीं
ऐसा
नहीं,
है?
क्वीन ही
इट कैन
होगा।
बी शॉर्ट टू,
क्वीन ही होगा।
इट कैन बी शॉर्ट। Swallowtails भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। आई डोंट नो।
Confirm.
श्वेतलाना, व्हाट डू यू से? सी को लॉक किया जाए? आदित्य, सी सी
C.
हाँ
हाँ सी।
सी, यस, सी को
C
लॉक
को
किया
lock
जाए
कर रखा है।
कंप्यूटर।
Okay.
क्वीन अलेक्जेंड्रा बर्डविंग को लॉक किया जाए
Correct.
कंप्यूटर जी, और ये आंसर करेक्ट है।
अरे वाह।
ओके।
चलो now next.
बट टाइम तो क्रॉस हो गया था, टाइम हो गया था, 1 मिनट हो गया था,
No,
1 मिनट हो गया
sorry.
था।
No point.
नो
नो
पॉइंट।
पॉइंट। ओके, 1 मिनट खत्म हो गया था। इतना देरी। चलो अभी आप पहुंच
ठीक
गए
है।
हैं 0 रुपीज के क्वेश्चन पर, तो फिर आपका टाइम अभी अब आपके पास 60 सेकंड का टाइमर रखा है, तो सोच समझ के खेलिएगा, बट ये आंसर करिएगा जरूर। वेयर इज द जल महल लोकेटेड? ए बैंगलोर, बी रंगपुर, सी पंजाब, डी जयपुर।
D में D.
डी डी डी।
डी
Confirm.
डी वांट टू लॉक डी जय
लॉक किया जाए।
Okay.
लॉक किया जाए डी जयपुर को। क्या
Answer
ये
is
राइट
correct.
आंसर है?
करेक्ट
And the
करेक्ट
answer is
करेक्ट
correct.
करेक्ट।
हमारे
वाह।
बैक मिसाइल जी ने बता दिया पहले से आंसर।
मिखाइल जी, कंप्यूटर को लॉक करने दीजिए।
बोलता ना।
और फिर लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट। वही यार, तुम लोग कंपटीशन से पहले ही बोल देते यार, क्या मजा है।
टीम बी।
व्हाट डज हम्टी डम्टी सिंबलाइज?
स्वेतलाना, मेरे को नहीं आता है।
हम्टी डम्टी क्या सिंबलाइज क्या करता है? A war machine used in sieges, a cannon, an English king, or D, all of the above. Humpty Dumpty गाते रहो, पता चल जाएगा, क्या पता।
An English
Humpty
king.
Dumpty sat on a
And
wall.
an English king.
Confirm.
I think an English king.
आई थिंक पता नहीं चलेगा, यहाँ पे आपको फुल श्योर होना चाहिए।
देवी जी आप बिल्कुल चांस मत
डी।
लीजिएगा इधर,
डी,
क्योंकि आप बहुत भारी रकम
डी
हार
ऑल ऑफ
सकते
द
हैं।
अबव।
डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव नहीं है, कौन बोल रहा है ये?
डी बोल रहा है यहाँ पे कोई।
Svetlana,
हमारा टीम
no,
ऑल
I
ऑफ
think
लग रहा है।
I can give you a hint. I
हाँ
think
ठीक,
it's an
तो
English
छुड़ाई
king.
ना ओमना मैम, अभी आपने हिंट तो दे दिया है, अभी आप इनको अभी इनके ऊपर डिपेंड है। आपने
I
हिंट अच्छी
think how can a king be
तरह
a
दे
cannon?
दिया, इनके ऊपर डिपेंड है। बोलो,
How can an
डू यू
egg
वांट
be
टू
a
लॉक
cannon?
ऑप्शन डी?
I don't know.
अरे
Maybe.
भाई टाइम खत्म हो गया, 60 सेकंड का टाइमर भी खत्म हो गया। लो
बोल स्वेतलाना जल्दी,
Lord.
आदित्य। ओके डी।
D.
डी।
All of
डी
the
ऑल ऑफ
above.
दी अबाव। वैसे भी
Yes.
गलत ही था, कंप्यूटर जी ने कहा है,
Answer
और
सही है।
गलत था, और ऊपर से टाइम भी क्रॉस हो गया था।
Answer
And
is
the
right.
answer is
Answer is
right.
right. But only time.
आंसर
राइट।
अरे हाँ, आंसर तो राइट है।
ये कंप्यूटर
अरे
गलत
यार,
गलत आंसर फीड
ये
करके
अमिताभ
रखेगा।
बच्चन
वापस
भूल गया
कंप्यूटर
आंसर।
गलत, टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टीज।
अमिताभ बच्चन आंसर भूल गया।
अमिताभ बच्चन जी ने कुछ गलत बोल दिया है यहाँ पर। हम कृपा
अमिताभ
दृष्टि से बोलते हैं,
जूनियर अमिताभ
हम
बच्चन,
कृपा दृष्टि से बोलते हैं कि ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज द राइट आंसर।
तुम्हारी दृष्टि सही नहीं है।
But sorry, ran out of
Humpty
time.
Dumpty sat on a wall and he had a great fall.
Okay, next.
I had a great fall and I did do the answer.
Teammate.
Which country is used to produce original silk in the early years? A. China, B. India, C. Japan, or D. Africa? ये बच्चों को पता होगा जो 6th स्टैंडर्ड पास किए हुए।
जिनको हिस्ट्री में
जिसने 6th
इंटरेस्ट
स्टैंडर्ड
रहा
पास
होगा
किया
उनको
उसको तो ये
पक्का
पक्का तो पता ही होगा।
Time starts now.
ना उम्र, this is a very easy question. Every child should know.
नो हिंट, नो हिंट।
Okay, no hint. No
आई
hint.
ऑल्सो नो दिस आंसर।
Yeah, I also know, but no hint.
कोई छोटा से हिंट दे सकते सबसे पहले, और वो चाय चालू हुआ था सिर्फ एक चाय की वजह से, बाकी आप पे डिपेंड है।
Mission
वो
कितना time?
चाय पे उसका चाय में उसका वो गिरा
अभी
था,
तो
था ना?
44 seconds
15 seconds remaining. Come on.
15 seconds remaining,
Option
10
A.
seconds remaining.
Okay, A confirm.
Will you go for China?
Okay.
A China
Answer is
पे लॉक
correct.
किया जाए, and the answer is correct. चाइना में कैसे,
वाओ।
आपको बताता हूँ, एक क्वीन थी, वो चाय पी रही थी, ठीक है,
Last question.
तो उसके
Only
सामने
for-
सिल्क का जो पेड़ होता है वो था,
नहीं,
तो
इतना
वो
कूद गहरे ज्ञान
कूद
की
गिरा।
जरूरत नहीं है।
Thank you, Rishan.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू
So next one is
Welcome.
who is the first pope in Christianity?
Only for man.
आपके लिए,
Only for ma'am.
ओनली फॉर ओमना मैम, ओमना एंड रेबी मैम, यू हैव टू आंसर दिस।
ओ ओमना मैम,
Saint Peter.
ऑल टू यू।
Confirm.
Peter. Saint Peter.
पीटर, यस
आंसर
यस,
Correct answer.
ओनली फॉर मैम।
आप पूछ रहे हैं 7 रुपए
Oh,
एंड
7 रुपए।
यस 7 करोड़ भी रखे,
अमिताभ
7
बच्चन
रुपए
कब
रखे।
से अमिताभ बच्चन का कंजूस कैसे हो गया?
जूनियर अमिताभ बच्चन हमारे
अरे
account
वो
में
जूनियर है ना, जूनियर को ज्यादा से नहीं मिलते।
Very nicely done, Rishon and Hussein. Very nicely. Very entertaining.
Score is
Yes, score. Yes, final score.
8-7. Team A wins.
टीम ए विंस द मैच। टीम ए जो भी है, कांग्रेचुलेशंस, यू विन। wait
So nice.
let
So nice. So thank you, Rishon. Thank you, Mikhail,
So-
and thank you,